when you go to a shop, you see things that you want to buy. Like this is the result that I know I will buy, and I know this is the thing that is in front of me. So if you are in a business, if you trying to tell prospects about your services, your product, this is not what they are actually looking to buy. As a customer, they want to get something, a result. Like this is a result. It is already prepared. This is already prepared. And these are being prepared. So as a customer, I know I need to buy this. So on the internet, if you are selling your service, no, customer is not looking to buy your service, not looking to buy your product. The customer is looking to buy a result. So how can you demonstrate your result? You need to put your results in front of prospects. So your results will tell someone else who is coming to you, like there are shopkeepers who are selling it. So this is the shop and this is the stuff. Now even there is no title about the product. There is no title, no label, nothing. Even the seller does not have any label like a coach or mentor, nothing. A person, a human being, a stuff. It's a demonstration of result. It's already a result. So if I come here and I see that as a customer, so I can desire, maybe I am not here to buy this and something else, then I can, when I am buying this, I can also ask, oh my god, how much is that, what is that? I can ask further questions, but at least there is something which I am seeing and looking at. This is what you need to understand if you want to, if you are confused in your online business or product, especially the business as a service provider. You need to talk to your prospect regarding the result that your prospect desire, and you need to understand what your prospect already desire. What are the problems and pains your prospect is already have, so that you can talk about those pains, those problems, those issues in the same language according to your prospect. But even then, what you are going to sell is not your service. You need to demonstrate and show the results that you have produced. So just produce and demonstrate your result and show it to people. Don't hide your result. If you have results, if you have former results, whatever kind of result that you have produced, for any person who work with you, who ask you question, maybe you are good in giving suggestion, maybe you are good in giving strategies, maybe you are giving good, maybe you are good in counseling. But when you are helping someone else with your whatever method, whether you use one-on-one coaching or one-on-one coaching, group coaching, or online course or one-on-one session, it does not matter. What matter is when someone is coming to you, what is the result that they have already gotten. Yes. So this is what you need to understand. When you will understand this, then, and don't be shy about showing your results. High achievers, multi-talented service providers usually hide their results due to their shame and high achievements. So this is, if you have this kind of problem and you are very shy, then you can just message me and I will review your situation, why you are feeling shy, why you are feeling hesitant, and I will, because if you need confidence, if you are fearful, I can help you destroy your fear and grab your hand to show in the people. So what will be my result for you? Your own result. You want visibility with confidence, without fear. Fearless, confident, visible business service provider. That is the result that I will give you. Visibility with confidence in the public. Understand?